Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be modeling this coffee mug from scratch using Fusion 360, which will help you practice your design skills. So you can follow along with this tutorial step by step, and let's jump right into the workspace and get started. Before we begin our first sketch, make sure we have a new design file open and ready here. Okay, next let's create a new sketch here. Select this plane. Select the rectangle tool here. Click on this center point. Type the rectangle dimension directly here. This line 86 millimeters. And this line 43 millimeters. Then select the 3-point arc. Select this point. Select on this line. Ensure the tangent constraint is in the place between this arc and this line. And click here. Then add a dimension to this arc radius, 2 millimeters. Make sure there's a padlock icon next to the sketch in the browser here that shows it's fully constrained. Then we'll revolve the sketch profile to create a solid body. Click on Solid tab. Select the Revolve tool. In the Profile section, select the Sketch Profile. In the Axis section, select this line. Click OK. Alright, our coffee mug base body is complete. Next, we will creating the inside and bottom contours of the mug on this body. So we create a new sketch here. Select this plane. Hide the solid body. And show the sketch 1 profile. Select the line tool. Click here. Click here. Click here. Click here. And click here. Then click here. Click here. Click here. And click here. Apply a coincident constraint between this point and this point. And then between this point to this point. Then add a dimension from this point to this point. 7 millimeters. From this point to this point. 31 millimeters. This line is 20 millimeters. Then this point to this point, 6 millimeters. And this point to this point. This line should be 10 millimeters. Then select the rectangle tool here. Click on the center point and click here. Then add a dimension from this line to this line. 40.5 millimeters. And also from this line to this line. 40.5 millimeters. Next, we'll revolve the sketch profile to create a cut. Click on Solid tab. Select the Revolve tool. Hide the sketch 1 profile. In the Profile section, select the Sketch Profile. In the Operations section, choose the Cut option. In the Axis section, select this axis, then show the solid body, and click OK. Next, we will create the mark handle on this body. We'll use two sketches to create the mark handle. The first sketch is for the handle's curve profile, and the second sketch is for the handle's thickness profile. So create a new sketch. Select this plane. Hide the solid body. And show the sketch 1 profile. Select the line tool. Click here, and click this checkmark icon. Then select 3-point arc. Select this point. Click here, and click here. Apply a coincident constraint between this point and this line, and this point to this line. Then a horizontal constraint between this point and this point. Add a dimension from this line to this line, 12 millimeters, and this line to this point, 56 millimeters. This line is 30 millimeters. Then select the fillet tool. Select this point, 16 millimeters. Enter. Finish the sketch. Next, we need to create a construction plane offset from the front plane by 43 millimeters, which will be used for the handle's thickness profile sketch. So select the construction geometry tool here. In the plane section, select this plane. Input the distance here, 43 millimeters. Click OK. Then create a new sketch. Select this construction plane. Hide the sketch 1 profile. Select the ellipse tool. Click here, and click here. Dimension this line to 15 millimeters. And this line 8 millimeters. Then apply a coincident constraint between this point and this point. Now that both our path and profile sketches are ready, we'll use the sweep tool to create the handle body using these two sketches. So click on Solid tab, select the sweep tool. In the profile section, select the sketch. In the path section, select the sketch. Then show the solid body. Change the operation type to join option. Click OK. Okay, as we can see here, the end of this handle hasn't merged completely with the base body. So we need to fill the gap between the handle end and the base body of this coffee mug using the extrude tool. So select the extrude tool here. In the profile section, select this face. Change the extend type to this option. In object section, select this face and click OK. Then select the extrude tool again. In the profile section, select this face. Change the extend type to this option. In object section, select this face and click OK. And select the extrude tool again. In the profile section, select this face. Change the extend type to this option. In object section, select this face. Click OK. Next, we will add fillets to every sharp edge on this coffee mug to give it smoother. And also, we'll use two fillet features to keep things simpler and avoid getting overwhelmed with too many edges at once. So select the fillet tool. Select this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge. Then input the radius value here, 4 millimeters. Add selection set. Select this edge and this edge. Input the value here, 2 millimeters. Click OK. Then select the fillet tool again. Select this edge. Input the value here, 4.5 millimeters. Add selection set. Select this edge and this edge. Input the value here, 2 millimeters. Click OK. Okay, the next step is to add an appearance to this solid body. So we can right click on body 1 in the browser here and select appearance tool. You can drag and drop your chosen color onto the solid body. So drag this color and drop it onto the solid body. Next, choose the faces option to apply the color to specific surfaces. Then drag this color and drop it onto this face, this face, this face, and this face. Next, we'll use a section analysis to see the internal cross-section of our coffee mug 3D model. So select the section analysis tool here. Select this plane and click OK. Now we can see the internal cross-section of this coffee mug 3D model. Okay, we can hide the section analysis view here. And with that last step, our 3D model coffee mug is complete. And so is this tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, drop a comment below. See you in the next video.